In the name of Allah, praise be to Allah. I seek purification.
Hup, come on now. Walk straight.
Keep moving, hup.
Grab the clothes quickly.
Hurry! The rain is starting. Get inside now!
Our prayers have been answered.
The rain is here!
I've never seen a storm this violent. Look at the tree.
We should be safe in here. It's just the noise.
These look ripe.
Put them in this basket carefully now.
We have so many already.
इन बाकी ललकी आधा दे और टोट उड़ाने लगे काकुन करीला इरी कानी नीरे कल्तन बिलते हैं
It turned out well, didn't it?
Yes, the food is wonderful. This summer meal looks delicious. The mangoes smell wonderful.
Yes, and the rotis are still steaming.
Look how clean the village looks after the wash.
The puddles reflect the last light of the day beautifully.
Wow, look at that one. It's so pretty. Get it!
Pull evenly now. Keep it straight.
We'll have this section done in no time.
This weather is truly unpredictable lately.
We need the rain, but the fields are already flooded.
Look at those clouds gathering again.
Which toy would you like?
See this little bird. That one.
It is so pretty. These green bangles just arrived today.
Oh, they are beautiful.
Look at this fabric over here.
Here, let me try this one on you. It matches your scarf perfectly.
Oh, Akram, it is beautiful. I love the sound they make.
Just when I was telling you about the harvest.
Unbelievable. The load shedding starts exactly at 9.
Wow, look how many there are tonight.
I've counted 20 already.
Really? Where is number 5?
Enjoy the mango juice.
This is wonderful. Just what I needed on a warm evening.
And so the merchant traveled for 7 days and 7 nights until he reached the whispering caves high above the village.
This heat is unbearable after the rain. The ground is drying fast. At least there is fresh water now.
I think that one is ready. Look, it's starting to fall. catch it. Run! It's a catch! He is out! Wow, look at them fly! Mine is the highest one! This is so much fun! Welcome to the harvest!
We have plenty of fresh mangoes for everyone.
Take this one, it's very sweet.
And one for you too!
Thank you. May you be blessed.
Oh Allah, bless this couple, Akram and Zainab. Grant them happiness and peace in abundance.